Good morning, students. Today, the topic which we are going to discuss is seminar, the meaning of seminar, the concept of seminar, the importance of seminar. The learning objectives of today's topic are you will able to understand the concept of seminar, you will able to define the meaning of seminar, objectives of seminar. You will able to clear that these are the objectives of seminar, and because of these objectives we conduct seminars in our college and the universities. Role of seminar techniques, different roles of seminar techniques, what are they? Procedure of seminar, how to conduct a seminar, and what is the procedure of conducting a seminar. Now, introduction. A seminar is an instructional technique. Now, what we are saying that a seminar is an instructional technique by which we give some instruction, which involve generating a situation. Means a seminar involved generating a situation. Means a situation has been created when we are conducting a seminar. For a group, means a group will be there to have guided interaction among themselves, and what that group will do, and that group will interact among themselves, and that interaction is guided uh, on a theme. Now what on what theme? Means that the interaction will be done on a particular subject, on a particular topic or a theme, which is generally presented to the group. Now that theme will be introduced to the group members, that this is the particular theme, this is the particular topic on which the interaction has to be done, which is generally presented to the group, and that theme or that topic is generally presented to the group by one or more members. Means that theme will be presented to the group members of that are included in the seminar of that day, will be presented by one or more members. Now, definition. Seminar is an instructional technique that we have known, that through which we give some instruction of higher learning, higher cognitive learning, which involve paper reading. Means when we are conducting a seminar, in that seminar, those people who are involved, they have to present their paper, which involve paper reading on a theme. Means that paper has to be written on a particular theme or the topic, and followed by the group discussion. And after the presentation of the paper, now what will happen? You have to discuss, or you have to interact on that particular topic on which the seminar is being conducted, and followed by the group discussion to clarify the complex aspects of the theme. Means why we are conducting the discussion. The discussions are conducting so that with the help of the discussions we are able to clarify the complex aspects of the theme that has been introduced to the people or the participants or to the audience. Now, objectives. Objectives are mainly divided into two types. When we are talking about the objectives of conducting a seminar, we are saying that conducting a seminar objectives is mainly divided into two types. The first one is cognitive objective, and the second one is effective objective. Or we can say that two types of objectives are achieved when we are conducting a seminar. Now, what are the cognitive objectives? To develop the higher cognitive abilities. What cognitive abilities? The knowledge, the mental. To develop the higher cognitive abilities means the mental abilities, and that is of the higher standard. That is analysis. Now, what does that means? Analysis, that the student will able to analyze that concept. Now, analysis will be when the whole concept will be divided into short parts or short paragraphs, and that on the basis of that we make a discussion. That is analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. Now, in synthesis, we have to make, in analysis we divide the concept into small parts. In synthesis and evaluation, now in what evaluation? In evaluation you will do what? That you will evaluate the purpose purpose, the importance, or the goal of the seminar, whether that seminar is able to achieve the purpose of it or not. And it has to be done in the evaluation part to develop the ability of responding, that is value, organizing, etc. No, now what that to develop the ability of responding. Now the responding part is that you should participate in the discussion. When the discussion will be held after the theme or the paper has been presented, you have to involve yourself in the discussion part to develop the ability of responding. Now, what that after in the discussion part, some questions will be asked to you, and that is what you have to respond that, and that is the main cognitive objective of seminar that you should develop in yourself the ability of responding, that is valuing, organizing, etc. Now, the third one is to develop the ability of keen observation. Now, this conduction of the seminar will develop in you the ability that you will become a keen observer of the things. Experiences, what are the different experiences, feelings, and to present them effectively. And what is that? You have to keenly observe the situation on the basis of the experiences, feelings, and to present. And all the things has to be present effectively in front of the audience or the members who are participating in this seminar. To develop the ability to seek clarification and defend the ideas of others effectively. To seek clarification, if there is some complex aspect that has to be need some clarification, that needs to be done in such a manner that all the doubts should be clear, then that cognitive abilities seminar work will work in that area, that you will able to seek clarification and develop the ability to seek clarification and defend the ideas of others effectively, and it also develop the ideas. Now what is that defend the ideas means? You are in the position of the seminar when we are making a group discussion or we are interacting, means we are defending the ideas of ourselves and others also in a very effective manner. Now, effective objective. Now, the second objective that has been achieved by the seminars are the effective objectives. Now, what is that? To develop the feeling to tolerate the opposite ideas of others. Now, for example, we are organizing a seminar on online teaching. Might be some students are in favor of online teaching while others are not in the favor of online teaching, and they are saying that the traditional method of is the best method to teach. Now what will happen? You are in a seminar, you have presented your views that online teaching is the best method to teach the students, but when other people who has just the opposite ideas regarding the teaching learning process, and they are saying that the traditional method of teaching is the best method, means then you have to develop the feeling that you have to tolerate the opposite ideas of other people's also. You have to develop a patience also, that you have to understand that this is his point of view and I have to respect the ideas or thoughts of that person also. To develop the feeling of cooperation. Now, seminars are working in that area also, that it develops the feeling of cooperation among the participants. To develop the emotional stability among the participants of the seminar. Those who are participating in the seminar to give their viewpoints on a particular theme. To acquire a good manner of putting questions. Now, what is that? When a discussion has been done, then it's up to you how you are putting your questions. So the next objective is that effective objective. Now what is that? That you have to acquire a good manner of putting questions to those who are presenting their paper. Means the speaker, as an audience, as a participant, you should acquire a good manner of putting questions to the speaker, and to answer the questions of other effectiveness. And when some questions has been asked, then it is your duty to answer those questions in a very effective manner. Now, role of seminar techniques. What are the different roles of a seminar technique? When a seminar has to be organized in your college, in your university, now what are the different roles that you have to play? In organizing a seminar, the following roles are performed. Means your institution, your organization is decided that you are going to organize a seminar on this topic. Now, what you will do? You have to first decide that these are the different roles for conducting a seminar and who will play those roles. Now, the roles that you have to play is the organizer, president or chairman, participants, and observers. Now, the first one is role of organizer. Now, who will be the organizer? That person who is organizing the seminar. For example, if I am organizing a seminar in my college, then that college along with me are the organizer of that particular seminar. Responsibility of an organizer is to plan and prepare the whole program of the seminar. Now, it is the responsibility of the organizer. Where is the venue? When will the seminar will conduct? On which theme the seminar will be conducted? Means each and everything from the planning to the execution, it is the responsibility of the organizer of the seminar. Plan means they will plan each and everything from which date, venue, time, where it will be conducted, for how much duration it will be conducted. It will be a 5 day seminar or it will be a 3 day seminar. Who will you invite to be as a guest speaker in the seminars? Preparation of the flyer, the preparation of the brochures. All these things are the responsibilities of the organizer. Now they have to plan each and everything and prepare the whole program of the seminar. Now the whole program, from which date it will start, for how much duration it will be, for 2 days, for 3 days, or 5 days. When will be the first session? How much duration is will be of the first session? How much will be the duration of the second session? How much time will be given for the question answer session? Means everything has to be a plan in the plan order to decide the theme. Now, this is the most important thing, that as an organizer, I have to decide that this is the theme on which the seminar will be conducted. Now, why it is important? It is important because you have to select the theme on the basis of the present scenario. What is the need of the present situation? What is the current issue? Now, on that themes, we have to organize our seminar. So, deciding the theme of the seminar is very important. Assign the part of themes to different persons. Now, everyone cannot be the expert of every subject. So, you have to assign the parts of theme. Means a theme will be there, that this will be the theme. Under the theme, there will be some sub themes, and you have to assign the persons, that these are the persons who will be the guest speakers related to that particular sub themes. He decide that who will be the speaker, and the organizer only decide that these will be the speakers of that session. You can do the seminar in such a way that you have divided the sessions into first session and the second session, and it's up to you that you will invite two speakers, first for the first session and the second for the second session. Means all the things will be the organizer who is doing that, and the important role is the role of an organizer when we are conducting a seminar. Now, of a president. Now, what was the role of a president? Organizer has make all the planning, all the things has been decided. Now, what is the role of a president? Direct the whole program. Means the instructions will be given by him and keep the discussion on the theme of seminar. And now what will that direct the whole program? The program planning purpose sub has been decided by the organizer. Now the execution has to be done, and the execution will be done by the president. Means he is directing the whole program first thing, and keep the discussion on the theme of seminar. Might be sometime what will happen that the speaker might go away from the theme of the seminars. No. What is the role of the president? To make again to the topic. Ask them to come again on the topic. They have diverted from the topic. Means this is the role of the president to keep the theme or the discussion or the interaction of the seminar on the theme itself. Now, role of a speaker means who are the speakers to whom you have invited to be a part in your seminar. Now, they prepare the topic. You have organizer has given the theme. The organizers have given the sub themes. Now, it is the role of the speaker to speak on that topic. And before speaking on that topic, what they have to do? They have to prepare on that particular topic or theme. They prepare the topic, the speakers prepare the topic. Thoroughly means in a depth. Now, why depth? Because a question answer session will be there, and it is through their speak then only we will able to understand the complex issues or aspects related to that particular theme or the topic. They prepare the topic thoroughly in depth, and Xerox copy of paper are prepared and distributed among the participants and on the theme on which they have prepared. Now, what will they do? They will distribute the Xerox copy of their topic or the theme or the content. They will distribute among the participants before the commencement of the topic. Now, before the starting of the topic, they will distribute the whole paper among the participants of the seminar. So, the participants should also prepare themselves for the topic. Now, why they are doing so? So that the participants are also prepare themselves for the topic on which the speaker is going to speak. The speaker should be ready to define the questions. Now, it is the important role of the speakers that they have to give the answers to every question that is asked from them. And that's why we are saying that the speaker has to prepare the topic in a thorough, in a detailed manner. If the speaker has not prepared it in a detailed or a thoroughly manner, then what will happen? The speaker will not able to answer the questions of that particular questions to that particular uh, questions that are being asked by the speaker from the participants or the audience. Now, role of participants. Now, who will be the participant? The participants are those people who are being participating in the seminar and those who want to equip themselves with the theme or the topic of the particular seminars. Now, the first one is participants should be well equipped with themes. Now, what is that? Means they should also know well aware with the theme, the sub theme, or the topics of the seminar. Now, why? Then only they will able to uh, ask questions. They will able to ask some doubts that are arising in their minds. So they must be well acquainted with the theme that this is the theme on which the seminar has to be conducted. They should participate the performance of the speaker. Now they should appreciate. Now they should appreciate the performance of the speaker. That the yes, the speaker has given the thoughts or the ideas thoroughly in a detailed manner, and each and every doubt of the participant has been cleared by the speaker. So they should appreciate the performances of the speaker. They should able to put questions and seek clarification. Now that is important. The speaker has presented his paper, but now the role of the participants has started. Now, what they should do? They should able to put questions in front of the speaker so that the speaker will be motivated that yes, his speech or his text has been understood by the audience or the participants. They should be able to put questions, means the participant should be able to put questions in front of the speakers and seek clarification, and if there is any doubt they can seek clarification from the speaker. There are 25 to 30 participants in the seminar. And when we are saying that how many participants can be in a seminar, so we are saying that around 25 to 30 participants are there in a seminar. Now, role of observer. Now, what is the role of an observer? Some guests and observers are also invited to observe the activity. Some guests means some people will be invited by the organizers, and observers are also invited. Some observers, those who will observe the proceedings of the seminar, how the seminar is going, how many speakers are there, how the participants are behaving, are they actively participating or not, to maintain the discipline also. Means some guests and observers are also invited to observe the activity of the seminar, whether the speakers are speaking on the theme or the topic or not, how the role of the participants, what is the role of the organizers, everything is being organized in a proper manner or not. This is the role of the observer. Now, next is procedure of seminar. What is the procedure of conducting a seminar? Organizers select the theme. Now, who is selecting the theme? It's the organizer who is selecting the theme, the sub themes on which the seminar has to be conducted, and organize the seminar. And that organizer is only organizing the seminar where it should be there, venue, time, place, everything has to be done by the organizer itself. Chairman conduct the activities of seminar. And now the role of the chairman or the president will be that he will conduct the activities of the seminar and direct the seminar on themes. And it is the role of the chairman to direct the seminar on theme, and that is the main theme. On that theme or only you will be able to speak or to give their point of view. Speakers speak about the theme. And what is the role of the speaker? They will speak on the theme of the seminar which is already shared with them. Group discussion. After the speaker has given his theme, a group discussion or interaction will be held. Participants seek clarification and put questions. Now, what should what should be the role of the participant? They should not be just a passive listeners. They should be actively involved in the proceedings of the seminar. And what is this their role? They have to seek clarification from the speakers on the topic which has been discussed by them. First thing, and they should be able to ask questions from the speaker related to their speech. Observe the activities of the seminar, how are on time or not, everything is being in proper order or not. This is the role of the observers. Now, types of seminars. There are four types of seminars. The first one is mini seminar. The second one is main seminar, the third one is national seminar, and the fourth one is international seminar. Now, the first one is mini seminar. A seminar organized to discuss a topic in class is known as mini seminar. Means a seminar which is organized in a class. And in a class, we are organizing that seminar to discuss a topic related to that particular class. And that type of seminars are called as mini seminars. Why they are calling as mini seminars? Because these seminars are organized in the class only. Now the next one is main seminar. Now what do you mean by a main seminar? Such seminars are organized in departmental level or institutional level. Means the seminars which are organized at the departmental level. For example, if education department is organizing a seminar, then it will called as a main seminar. Or institutional level or a college has been organizing a seminar, then it will be called as a main seminar because that seminar has been organized at the departmental level or at the institutional level. Now the next one is national seminar. It is organized by an association at national level. When we are talking about the national seminar, that type of a seminar is organized by an association that is working at the national level. Now the last one is international seminar. Such seminars are organized by UNESCO, means seminars which are organized by international agencies or institutions are called as national seminars. And other international organization means any international organization institution is organizing a seminar on a particular theme. These type of seminars are known as international seminars. Now, advantages of seminar method. What are the different advantages of conducting seminar methods? Stimulation of thinking means that is the higher order thinking among the learner. So the first advantage of seminar is that it stimulates the thinking process of the learners or the participants that are participating in that particular seminar. Tolerance of other view develops. Now, the seminar develops the ability of tolerating other viewpoints also. Might be you are not agree with the viewpoints of the speaker, but seminar is developing in you that you has the ability or you develop an ability that you can tolerate the viewpoints of others also. Cooperation with others develop. Now, what is that? You are working in a cooperative manner with other speakers, with the organizer, with the participants, and that for the successful condition of the seminars, then we are saying that seminars also work in developing the cooperation among the members. Openness of ideas occur when we are discussing, when we are interacting on a particular topic or theme or idea, then what will happen? Openness of ideas occur among all the members who are participating in the seminar. Represent the norms of behavior means some norms will be there, some rules and regulations will be there, and on the basis of that only you have to behave in that particular seminar. Represent the norms of behavior, that these are the norms of behavior and according to which you have to behave in the seminars. It has great instructional values, natural way of learning. Means it's not an artificial way of learning, it is a natural way of learning in which everyone is actively involved in the process, and that is bringing natural learning among the learners or the participants who are participating in this. Now, limitations of a seminar. Seminar cannot be organized on all content of subject matter. But what they are saying that we have to decide that only on these topics we can organize a seminar. Means on all the topics, on all the content of any subject matter, it is difficult to organize a seminar, or we can say that every content of a subject matter cannot be taught through the seminar. Techniques cannot be used in all levels of education. Means the seminar workshop cannot be used in all levels of education. What we are saying that my seminar conduction of seminar at the primary level is not a successful way of teaching the learners. The seminar will be successful at higher education level only when we are talking about the higher order thinking. The students have their doubts, and they uh, can put questions in front of the speakers to know their ideas or their viewpoints on that related topic. Now, conclusion. Seminar is a method of teaching. No, it's a methodology of teaching, mostly used for higher education. Means that method is used mainly when we are teaching the students of higher education. It is not useful for teaching the students of primary or pre-primary level or the elementary level. It is an instructional technique which involves paper reading on a particular theme. Now, it's an instructional technique which involves paper reading. Means the speaker has to read his point of view on a particular theme, or we can say he has to present his paper or his ideas in front of the participants. It involves it includes the group discussion. Means after the presentation of the paper, we have to involve in the group discussion technique to clarify the complex aspects of theme, and that group discussion will be held, and because of group discussion we will able to clarify the complex aspects of the theme that has been in there. The students learns to develop the ability of keen observer. Means when we are conducting a seminar, when we are organizing a seminar, what our students learn? Our students learn to develop the ability of keen observation. Means they will become a keen observer of each and every situation, of experiences that they are getting during these seminars, and feeling of tolerance to the opposite ideas of others. And the second thing will be they will develop the ability to tolerate the feelings of others, opposite ideas of others with whom they are not satisfied. That seminar will develop them that feeling also. Now, today we have discussed about the seminar, the importance of seminar, the different roles in conduction of the seminar, and types of seminar. For further reading on this topic, you can refer these references. Now, let us discuss some MCQs based on the topic which we have discussed today. Now, the first one is a dash is an instructional technique which involves generating a situation for a group. Now, what do we call that technique which is used for imparting instructions and which involves generating a situation for a group? Now, the options are A. Seminar, B. Conference, C. Project, or it's D. Workshop. Now, students, you have to select the correct answer on the basis of the given choices, and the correct answer is option A, that is a seminar. Now, the second one, dash is an instructional technique of higher learning which involves paper reading on a theme. What will be called a technique which is giving for instruction of learning means higher order learning and which involves paper reading on a particular theme. Now the options are A. Seminar, B. Conference, C. Project, or it's D. Workshop. Now you have to select the correct answer on the basis of the given choices, and the correct answer is yes, the correct answer is option A, that is seminar. Now the third one, dash prepare the topic thoroughly and Xerox copy of papers are prepared and distributed among the participants before the commencement of the topic. Now what is the role of that person? What do we call that person who prepared on the theme thoroughly and before the commencement of the topic he distribute his paper among the participants. Now the options are A. Speaker, B. Audience, C. Participants, or D. Observers. Now, yes, what will be the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is option A, that is speaker. Fourth one, dash ability to seek clarification and defend the ideas of others effectively. Now, what do we call that ability where we are seeking the clarification and we are defending the ideas in a proper, effective manner? Option A, effective, B, cognitive, C, psychomotor, or it's D, comprehension. So, the correct answer is option B, that is cognitive. Now the fifth one, dash objective is to acquire good manner of putting questions and to answer the questions of other effectives. Now the options are A, effective, B, cognitive, C, psychomotor, or it's D, comprehension. So the correct answer is option A, that is if effective objective is that develops in a participants how to put a question in a good manner. Now, the sixth one, a seminar organized to discuss a topic in class is known as. What do we call a seminar which is organized at the class level? Options are A. National, B. Mini, C. International, or it's D. Main. So the correct answer is option B. That is mini means a seminar that is being organized at the school level is known as mini seminar. Now the seventh one, dash seminars are organized in departmental level or institutional level. What do we call those seminars that are organized at the departmental level or at the institutional level? Options are A. National, B. Mini, C. International, and D. Main. Now, the students, you have to select the correct answer, and the correct answer is option D. That is main means a seminar that is organized at the departmental or institutional level. Eighth, dash seminar is organized by an association at national level. Now, what do we call that seminar which is being organized by an association at the national level? Now, the options are A. National, B. Mini, C. International, or it's D. Main. So, the correct answer is option A, that is national. Ninth, dash cannot be organized on all the contents of subject matter, which cannot be organized on all the contents of a subject matter, that its shortcoming or its limitation. A. Seminar, B. Conference, C. Project, or it's D. Workshop. So we are saying that seminars cannot be organized on all the content of the subject matter. Now the 10th one, and dash has to plan and prepare the whole program of the seminar. Now, who has to prepare and plan the whole program of the seminar? The options are A. Organizer, B. Audience, C. Participants, or it's D. Observer. Now, the correct answer is option A, that it's an organizer. An organizer has to plan and prepare the whole program of the seminar, when it has to be conducted, where it has to be conducted, and for how much duration the seminar will be conducted. Thank you, students. Today we have discussed about seminar, the role of the different person in organizing a seminar, importance of a seminar, role of a speaker, role of an organizer, and role of a participant in conducting of a seminar, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of conducting a seminar. So, in the coming class, we will discuss about the cooperative learning. Thank you so much.